Guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Fuguanshan Monastery, kung saan makikita natin yung mga famous iconic structures dito sa Kaohsiung, Taiwan. So it actually took 30 minutes bus ride coming from Zhuiying train station. Okay, at you can actually use your Easy Card. Yun yung kanilang kumbaga sa Pilipinas beep card natin, no? It's reloadable. Unfortunately, hindi namin nadala yung Easy Card namin. So what we did, nagbayad kami ng cash. Kung magbabayad ka ng cash, accepted naman sa bus. Yun nga lang, walang change. Ang binayaran namin for a 30-minute ride one way, it's 82 NTD. So this is the Fuguanshan Monastery reception. So pag pupunta kayo dito, yan, may Starbucks, lalo ngayon sobrang init. It's actually August 25. And sa mga Starbucks coffee lover, and meron din ditong yung mga pang souvenirs. And so may mga retail stores. So it's like a mall. And coffee bar. Ano yun sa dulo, no? Parang Forbidden City. And guys, this is the very iconic na Buddha dito sa Kaohsiung, Taiwan. Napapaligiran siya ng mga pagoda. So guys, kung pupunta kayo dito on the summer, don't worry because marami namang covered pathway going to the Big Buddha. So this is like similar to the Polin Monastery in Hong Kong, okay? And the Big Buddha in Hong Kong. Sabi nga ni Mark, ito ay twin sister. Twin sister. Hindi, twin daw. Pero hindi, parehas lang siguro sila na. But of course, be very respectful of this place kasi this is a sacred place, and of course, it's a monastery. And if you're going here on the summer, bring umbrella and fan, yung portable fan. Quiet lang tayo. May mga nagpe-pray. Actually, masarap siya guys, no? Perfect for merienda. Guys, napaka-haggard. Going back to our destination. So tayo mag-explore dito sa Fuguanshan Monastery. Okay, so right now we're just waiting for our bus. Okay, it's a city bus na nagka-travel. So ito yung waiting area malapit sa entrance ng Fuguangshan Monastery. Yung mga bus na nakikita nyo on the underside are tourist bus. Hindi po yan yung sasakyan pag pupunta kayo dito. So ang sasakyan nyo is of course yung city bus na galing sa Zhuiying. Zhuiying is a district, and in that district makikita din yung station, train station. Actually may high speed train din dun sa station na yun, Zhuiying Station, and also yung bus is may number, so don't be confused, may number yung bus pag galing dito. Every 30 minutes bumabalik sa dito. Ang guide nyo is nandoon. Ito, yan yung guide nyo kung ilang minutes na lang hihintayin nyo para sa bus, So the bus number is E02. Sana hindi tayo makapiright kasi meron dito free music, mga street performer na for donation purposes, So yeah, napakainit, haggard na tayo, pero okay lang yan. At least na-explore natin ang isa sa mga must visit dito sa Kaohsiung, ang Fuguangshan Monastery. Guys, after a long day, kakain na tayo ng lunch. Late lunch, past almost actually 5 p.m. So, and what's ironic is Japanese food na kakainin natin. Gutom na talaga kami. So, kain muna kami para ma-replenish ang ating energy. So guys, we're going to the Pier 2 Art Center, which you can actually reach using the Kaohsiung MRT train or MRT metro. So guys, we're going to the Pier Art Center here. We're dubbing off or mag-aalay tayo sa Yangchengpu. So guys, we finally reached the Pier Art Center. Yan, medyo maingay lang. But ginabi na tayo guys because natagalan tayo sa Fuguangshan Monastery dahil hindi na finalo yung bus time. So dalawang bus inintay namin, 30 minutes. So naghintay kami ng more than an hour or almost 2 hours. Sobrang init. Ending, hindi rin kami sumakay doon. So nag-carpooling na lang kami. Yes. May Starbucks lang dito. Yeah. Maganda dito. Yes. Oo nga. Ayan. Dito yata ang mga souvenirs. There too. Netflix. Guys, we're exploring the Pier 2 Art Center. So, ito ay nirepurpose nila na place. And ginamit nila for art exhibition. And may mga murals din kagaya nito. Ito sikat na mural to dito sa Pier Art 2. Ngayon, ito ina-enjoy ngayon ng mga tao yung place. Nagbabike sila, or e-bike sila. And at may mga shops, coffee shops, and maganda siya, very peaceful and lively yung place. Ginagamit pa ba itong na to? Hindi na, no? Mga ano to? tayo.